Hello, this is Ben from Boston Garage. We recently met with Dave from Westwood, Massachusetts, who had a garage floor that was showing significant signs of wear, from 40 years of road salt and being exposed to the elements, heavy moisture from underneath the slab, and needing a complete restoration. Our certified master installers prepared the surface and installed several layers of coating that now leaves Dave with a fully restored floor that is easy to clean, anti-skid, and now moisture tolerant. Upon completion, we received a letter from Dave that said, "I wanted you to know that our floor came out amazing. Your crew did a spectacular job. They were both professional and personable. My brother-in-law in Wayland is excited to now get his garage done. Thanks to you, Lindsey, and your entire team. Dave."
If you'd like the same quality experience, contact us today.